Hello viewers, warm welcome in this YouTube channel. Question is, a particle suspended by a light inextensible thread of length L is projected horizontally from its lowest position with velocity under 4gl. The particle will leave the circular path at a height from its lowest position is. So student, question is saying that particle will leave. So for to leave the circle, tension in thread should be 0. So note this point. Let this is a L length thread and a particle of mass m is attached to this point, and a velocity u is given to it is 4gl, and it reaches a height h at point P. Okay, its height from lowest position is h, and this part become L minus h. This is L, and its weight work in downward direction mg. If we extend this line, this angle is theta, then this is also theta, so mg cos theta in this direction and mg sin theta in this direction. Here T is tension. Okay, so using this point, let A, and this point is P. So using energy conservation rule, so energy at A half mu square equal to energy at P half mv square. Let v is the velocity at this point, plus mg h. If it attain a height h from lowest point, then half mu is 4gl equal to half mv square plus mg h. So m cancel. Here 2gl equal to v square, 2 here be multiplied by 2, so this is also cancel. So v square plus 2gh, therefore v square equal to 2gl minus 2gh. Okay, this remain 4 because 2 cancel, and this remain 4. So 4gl minus 2gh. If we take common 2g from here, 2l minus h, so v square equal to 2g 2l minus h. Now using the concept that tension minus mg cos theta, this resultant give centripetal force mb square upon r. So T minus mg cos theta in this triangle, cos theta equal to base, which is L minus h, over hypotenuse, which is L. So L minus h upon L equal to m v square. V is 2g 2l minus h over r. R is equal to L. Here R is L. So T equal to mg L minus H upon L plus 2mg 2L minus H upon L. So we have condition to leave the circle, tensions in thread should be 0. Now we put this thread tension 0. So T equal to 0, mg L minus H upon L plus 2mg over L, 2L minus H equal to 0. So LL gone 0 here, mgl is common, mg upon L is common, L minus H plus mgl common, 2L minus H equal to 0. Therefore L minus H plus 2 times L minus H equal to 0. L minus H 2 to 4L minus 2H equal to 0. So L and 4L, this is 5L minus H minus 2H, 3H equal to 0. Therefore 5L minus 3H equal to 0. 5L equal to 3H and H equal to 5L by 3. So 5L by 3 is the correct answer, which is found in option B. Therefore option B is correct. I hope you got it. Please like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.